Bob, the last couple of weeks, has sent in some gorgeous photos of Klamath Lake. A little bit different view that he sent in. He headed out to Pistol River Beach, just a beautiful view. If you're headed out to the coast, know that there is a gale warning and hazardous seas warning in effect, especially the further out you head, the windier it will be. Now we are seeing those pollens up at moderate now, trees, grasses, and weeds. Weeds were pollinating last time we got a report in. We're at 1 grain. Now we're seeing 4 grains for weeds. So weeds have definitely increased. Trees kind of go back and forth between pollinating with higher grains and lower grains. So they're at 16 right now. High pressure still over the southwest, but it's pushing to the east. However, still seeing a lot of hot air in the southwest. 113 for Vegas, Reno at 96. But check out those high temperatures from yesterday up in the Pacific Northwest. 75 in Portland, 71 in Seattle. And the reason being, although that high pressure is still to the south, it is shifting to the east. But the bigger change in the Pacific Northwest is that a trough is settling into the area. So all you need to know about that is that basically all of this cool air from the Gulf of Alaska is pushing into our area. So instead of that hot, humid, muggy air that we've been getting from the southwest due to that high pressure system, ushering that into our area, instead we're getting a more cool, drier westerly flow, and that will continue today. Temperatures even cooler than yesterday. Winds will be picking up again this afternoon, and on the east side, we're already seeing those winds. 20-mile-per-hour sustained winds in Lakeview this morning. Winds will be gusty this afternoon, really no matter where you are, with the strongest winds at the coast. And we will start to warm up again as we head into next week. Not nearly as hot as we have been, but still a lot warmer. And it's drier out there. That means that although it will be feeling more comfortable, fire danger level is at high. Know the new restrictions that are in place, because any fires that do start with these lower humidities will be able to spread quickly, especially with the winds we're going to be seeing this afternoon. We could see winds get up to 35 miles per hour at the coast. That's why the National Weather Service has issued that gale warning. In the mountains also could see winds up to 30 miles per hour. Winds increasing through the day, even into this evening. Cooler today as well, 64 for a high in Crater Lake. In the basin, a few mid to upper 70s out there for Chemult and Chiloquin, and for Siskiyou County. One more 91 day for Happy Camp, mid to upper 80s rather for most of Siskiyou County. So a very nice day on tap. And for the Rogue Valley, very similar in the mid to upper 80s, much cooler with a nice breeze this afternoon. At the coast, a mix of sun and clouds through the weekend with some fog in the morning hours. In the basin, a lot of sunshine, temperatures in the mid-80s for the remainder of our 7-day forecast. Siskiyou County back into the mid-90s for the weekend, close to the upper 90s as we head into Tuesday. And for the Rogue Valley, low to mid-90s for this weekend, so it will be a little bit warmer than today, but very similar to what we saw yesterday, which was pretty comfortable after these triple-digit humid days we've been dealing with.